This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michelle Davis. This one-story, low-maintenance villa features 3 bedrooms, office, 2 baths, 2-car garage, and no backdoor neighbors. As you enter this original Cardel model home, you will be impressed with the open concept, the stunning tile flooring throughout that offers a split floor plan with generous-sized carpeted bedrooms, and the delightful kitchen with its 42 cabinets, all with soft close and granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and gas range. The kitchen with plenty of countertops, with a walk-in pantry, and breakfast/snack bar overlooks the dining area and the large family room with triple sliders that lead to the screened covered lanai. The 3rd bedroom/office offers double glass French door entry. Large laundry room with built-in cabinets above that opens to your 2-car garage with keyless openers. You will enjoy the pool, which is conveniently right across the street. This home is located in the tree-lined neighborhood Surrey Park of Covington Park. This home is conveniently located with easy access to I-75, shopping, eateries, and schools in the Covington Park Subdivision. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Davis at 813-787-4413.